What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
I just decided to come to this little parking garage just to like go to the top, give you guys some like nice sound clips. And keep traction control on. Just put it in sport.
So that's it, just a few revs, just a muffler delete with straight pipes. So this is the muffler. I have the valve, but it's a straight pipe with a wide pipe going all the way down. But next, I think I'm just gonna get the catless down pipe with the Boot Mod 3 tune on it. Probably just gonna do like stage 1 or 2 for now. And then also I'm gonna get the kidney grills for this. New wheels, of course. Some tents. Just minor appearance packages that you do, minor stuff, minor mods you do. But that's it for now, guys. But I'll catch you later. And also one more thing, we're gonna get the spoiler for this left spoiler. But that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Boom.